The latest collection of awesome modern home garden landscaping design ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel showcasing the latest and greatest in modern home garden landscaping ideas. Get ready to be inspired by a curated collection of incredible outdoor designs that will take your backyard to the next level. Explore innovative concepts, beautiful plant arrangements, and stylish outdoor living spaces that will transform your home garden into a masterpiece. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply looking to enhance your outdoor space, you won't want to miss this video. Join us on a journey of creativity and beauty as we bring you the best in modern garden landscaping ideas. Step into the world of modern home garden magic with our latest collection of awe-inspiring landscaping ideas. This YouTube video is your ticket to a visual feast of cutting-edge design concepts, breathtaking plant arrangements, and ingenious outdoor living spaces. Whether you're a green thumb or just eager to elevate your outdoor oasis, we've got the inspiration you crave. Dive into this video for a fresh perspective on modern garden landscaping and watch your backyard dreams bloom. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest trends in home garden aesthetics. Explore the latest collection of breathtaking modern home garden landscaping ideas in this captivating YouTube video. Discover innovative design concepts, stunning plant combinations, and creative outdoor living spaces that will transform your backyard into a haven of beauty and relaxation. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or looking to revamp your outdoor space, this video is your ultimate source of inspiration. Don't miss out on these incredible ideas to elevate your home garden to a whole new level of aesthetic delight. Our latest YouTube video presents a curated collection of breathtaking landscaping ideas that will redefine the way you view outdoor spaces. Discover cutting-edge design concepts, innovative plant combinations, and captivating outdoor living areas that promise to transform your backyard into a haven of beauty and relaxation. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone looking to revamp their outdoor space, this video is a must-watch. Join us on this journey of creativity and design, and let your home garden aspirations come to life.